Hey guys, you're here live with MVI, and today we are going to give you a preview of the Thinkware Dash Cam system. One of the more advanced systems we'll be offering in our new securities product line that we've been talking about. This one will have some 4K resolution along with a lot of other features. This particular one, we're going to do a radar extender. It allows you to extend the range of movement detection and also help save the battery. All the different accessories. It's also going to have the rear camera to mount at the back, and it comes with an SD card for recording. Also an app to go on your phone, allows you to configure the dash cam right from your phone. Also a desktop version as well. So without further ado, we will go on ahead and get this going in the vehicle, find a placement for it, start the install process, and give you a tour as we go. Alright guys, so we're back in this GMC Yukon, and you can see I've got the dash cam mounted right there, nice and neat. Wires up, tucked, ran all the way over and down. And then it will go to the rear cam, the back window. You can kind of see hanging on the back window back there, guys. Come out nice and neat. So full install the dash cam. You'll get some video footage with this file as well once I get it downloaded to the phone. This thing does turn out pretty sweet, super easy to use. I'll go ahead and start the truck, and you're gonna hear it give me some prompts.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware. GPS connected.
So just like that, guys, now we'll take off and drive, but it told us it's connected to GPS. Told us to go to your smartphone, go to your settings, and pair to the Thinkware Wi-Fi coming out of the unit. That will then allow you to pull up on your phone, which if I could show you live on the video here, I would. But that's going to allow you to pull up on the phone and go from there. So I will load the video footage, but this is one of our higher end pieces that we're now going to be offering here at MVI, part of our security products line. So for more information, as usual, give us a call at the number at the end of the screen.